great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2019 Chevrolet Suburban LT. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Suburban. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, auto express windows, the child lock button, and the programmable memory seat. This SUV also comes with the premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support and the power sunroof up above. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, the trailer brake, traction control, park assist, lane departure alert, power adjustable foot pedals, and an interior light dial. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side, we've got the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert. And on the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the power sunroof buttons, the programmable garage door opener, and OnStar. Down below, we have Chevrolet's infotainment center. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. And this screen doubles as our backup camera. If we push this button down here, that screen will raise up to reveal a storage compartment and a USB plug-in. Again, we've got the DVD player up front, and we also have dual climate control buttons with air conditioning. We've got the rear climate control buttons, heated front seats, and some more power plug-ins. Under the hood of the Suburban is the 5.3-liter V8 engine. We've got 20-inch wheels, running boards down the side, roof rack up top, rear tinted windows. The side mirrors are power adjustable. As we make our way to the back, I'll open up the liftgate here and we'll take a look inside. In the back, we've got plenty of cargo space, the tethers to fold that third row seating down. We've also got a power plug-in and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 8-passenger SUV. On the passenger door, we've got power windows and a cup holder. On the backs of both front seats, there are some seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got the rear climate control buttons, some USB and power plug-ins. We've also got rear DVD players in the second and third row. To gain access to the third row, pull the lever located on the side of the seat, then the tether that'll lift that seat up. In the third row, we've got 3 additional seats, some cup holders and power plug-ins, and again, that third row DVD player. So come take a look at the 2019 Chevrolet Suburban LT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.